What if I told you that every time you scan a UPI QR code to pay your groceries, someone has to bear the cost of processing that payment? Right now, almost nobody does, but that could change soon. The government has taken the first step towards bringing back a fee called MDR on UPI transactions. Does this mean that you will start paying extra every time you use PhonePe, Google Pay, or Paytm? Well, the answer is no. Let me explain. First, let's understand what MDR is. MDR stands for Merchant Discount Rate. It's a small fee charged on digital payments to cover the cost of processing transactions. Think of this as a cost of running the payment system, the banks, payment apps, servers, and cybersecurity that ensures your money reaches the right account instantly. Before 2020, merchants paid this fee on UPI transactions. But to encourage digital payments, the government had introduced the zero MDR policy, making UPI free for merchants. That decided and helped UPI to become India's most popular payment system. Today, more than 23 billion UPI transactions worth 30 lakh crore rupees take place every month. Now, the Finance Ministry has proposed removing the legal provision that permanently banned MDR on UPI. This is an important point. It does not mean that MDR has been imposed immediately. It simply gives the government the power to introduce it in future if needed. And even if it does, experts believe that it is likely to apply mainly to large merchants and commercial transactions, not everyday payments at your neighborhood kirana store. Now, the biggest question is, will consumers or customers like you and me have to pay? As of now, the answer is no. MDR is a charge paid by merchants, not consumers. So, if you send money to a friend or pay for your daily groceries through UPI, there is no proposal to deduct an extra fee from your bank account. But if merchants have to pay MDR, won't they increase prices for you? Well, that's the next question that you would ask me, and that's possible. Large retailers processing lakhs of rupees in UPI payments every day could face additional costs. Some may absorb the expense, while others could significantly increase prices or encourage consumers to use a different payment method. So, why is the government even considering this, even as they are promoting UPI? Because operating UPI isn't free. Every transaction involves banks, payment apps, technology infrastructure, fraud detection systems, and cybersecurity. Banks and fintech companies have long argued that processing billions of transactions without any MDR isn't financially sustainable. Even a parliamentary committee recently said that as UPI continues to grow, the payment ecosystem needs a long-term revenue model to remain very strong. So, what should you do now? Honestly, nothing. There is no immediate change to how you use UPI. Your QR code payments are and the bank transfers continue exactly as before. The proposal still has to go through the parliament, and only then the government can decide whether MDR will be introduced, where it will apply, and to whom. So take a chill pill and sit back and wait for a news on the MDR after the bill is actually passed.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.